Okay, so I got some cardboard down here because this new path will be going in this way and coming around there. And the cardboard's there because I'm gonna create a bed here, a small bed. And I'm thinking of putting these guys. These are, I love these, they're annuals. Dahlia Mystic Illusion. I love them, I love them, I love them. I have 3 of them, so I'll probably plant all 3, 1, 2, 3, and maybe, I don't know, I'm gonna do something here. But for now, I got some out here, and I'm just gonna continue taking the rest out over here, and then we'll try to find some more stones to place, and then mulch that up. This is set here. Let's keep moving on. Just wanted to show you guys that I'm actually working on 2 projects at the same time. I'm also, everything that I'm taking from the pathway, all the grass, I'm bringing it here and I'm mounding it here. Now, as you've noticed, all of my, everything here has been mounded because, all my flower beds, I mean, because all the digging for paths, you know, I had to put the grass somewhere. So I'd flip the grass upside down, and then eventually that grass turns into dirt. It doesn't take very long. I noticed that within a few months in the summer, it turned into dirt. So yeah, that's what I've been doing here, because for those who don't remember or know, here we had a huge tree. Like, the tree stump is this whole thing. That's a part of the tree. Look at this. This was a part of the tree. See, we had one part of the tree going this way, another part going that way, another part going this way. It was huge. It was way past the high power voltage lines. It was double that. You know, from here to there, the same. It was huge. And so, yeah, I've been covering that up. That tree stump, with all of this dirt, all of the grass, flipping it over. Some of them aren't flipped over. I gotta flip them over. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. This is another project which I'm going to eventually, I want to dig this out nice and straight here too, nice and straight, and then, cause see how the pathway here is in an angle. See how it's angled down like that? Well, I want that to straighten that out, and I don't find it wide enough. See, I have my tree here. If you know, I would have probably put this tree a little more further back. I didn't because of the power lines, but for now it's fine, but eventually it'll get bigger, and I just want to be sure that I have enough space here, you know, to be able to pass. So I'm going to come in and cut this down like this, straighten it out, and I'm going to put a whole bunch of natural rocks. Like I want a wall, high, tall wall of rocks all around here, and then the top part will be flowers and whatnot. Okay, so I'm ready to put these in the ground here. That might be a little too deep. Yeah, so I didn't want to go too deep because I don't want to bother the roots here. So I'm just going to put this in the ground. I'm going to put that cardboard right back on it, on top, like around it, I mean. And then that's where I'm going to add some dirt and compost afterwards. And then this is where I'm at here. I took all the grass out, all the way to over there. And I'm gonna have to move these stones, take these stones out and kind of reconfigure them. And I'm just gonna place them sparsely, like here and there. It'll pretty much be mulch, just mulch with a few stones here and there, because I don't have enough stones to like fill it up like that. So it'll be a little sparse. Here we go. So these guys are in. So now I'm gonna add the dirt, and probably a little later on I'm gonna add the compost. But then I'm gonna attack this area here. Okay, so it's all done. It took me the whole day. Thanks to my neighbor, I got some wood here. I didn't have any more wood left, so. And what I decided to do, instead of adding some of these stones here, the stones, remember I had stones here? Well, what I did instead is I did this. I did that instead. Let me back up. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. It's dirt, and then I put compost between the rocks, and I'm probably going to plant some thyme or something like that. I think thyme, it's supposed to be a little sandier, so I might have to change up the dirt a bit, but finally got it all done. So this is one side. I got this done too, my step, where I can step onto and then off, and then I did this side over here, stepping down. So this is done. Done. The steps are comfortable. The height is perfect. Yeah, I think I did okay. And I added some stone there because, you know, I don't want dirt or mulch touching. I could probably just take some of the stone away just a little so it doesn't touch too much the tree. So yeah. So that's it.